Hello, I'm Stephanie Agnew with the MaxSouth Digital Media Center at Mississippi State University Libraries. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use Adobe Spark to tell your story. Let's get started. First, let's answer the question, what is Adobe Spark? Adobe Spark is the integrated web and mobile solution that enables everyone to easily create and share impactful, visual, and engaging content. Adobe Spark allows you to easily create social graphics, web pages, and short videos. Spark allows you to add your own branding and lets you visually tell your story. Once you launch Adobe Spark, you are on the home page. Looking to the left-hand side of the screen, you have the blue plus sign, which allows you to see many of the projects you can create. Flyers, Instagram stories, posts, Facebook posts, collages, web page, video, branded graphics, and customized graphics, and view all. These icons for each of these are located front and center on the home page. Under Projects, you will find the projects you create. Each is labeled by the project type that it is, post, web, etc. Brands are the logos, color, and font you choose and specify to brand your content. Libraries are personal collections of assets that you can share with anyone instantly. These files live in the cloud, allowing you to use, share, and collaborate with others anytime, anywhere. To upload assets to your library, select Create Library. Name your library and choose Create Library. You will see the name you've given the asset folder at the top, and you will see Add Assets. Click the Add Asset button and locate the files on your computer to add. When you have finished, click the arrow to the left of the name of your folder to return to the main library. To start, we will choose Presentation from the list of projects. You will land on the title page. Before we add content, we will create a brand. Click Themes, choose the Switch Brand arrow at the top, and scroll down to create a brand. If you don't have a logo, the default logo image will appear on your pages. I'm going to add the Spark logo for this demonstration. You will see the Add Your Brand area, and it allows you to customize your logo, colors, and fonts. Next, click on Upload Your Logo. Locate your file and click Open. You will see the logo image in the logo block. Next, we'll scroll down and click on Pick Your Color. You can use the color picker circle to navigate through color options, or use a hex code value that generates a specific color. I will use a hex code here and click Save. Your color will display in the color box. Click your font and navigate through the many options available for your brand. Pick one, choose Next, and give your brand a name. Then choose Create My Brand. Your story feed's brand will be displayed, and with options to add more or edit. Once you've applied your brand, it will appear on your title page. To minimize the theme box, you can click on the word Theme in the top right-hand corner. This will minimize your brand or theme box. You are now ready to add your title. Click the plus sign at the bottom to choose the content that you want to add. We will use Header 2 format and center the text. Click the plus sign again to choose Split Layout. Choose Add Your Image, upload your image from your files, and click Open. Move to the right side, click the plus sign, Choose Text, Header 1, and Center to add your text. Click the plus sign again to add more text. No header is chosen, only choose Center and add the text for the body of your content. Choose the plus sign at the bottom middle. Choose Split Layout. Click Add Your Image. Locate your image from your files and click Open. Click the plus sign on the right and choose Text. Header 1, Center Alignment, and add the word Theme. Choose the plus sign again and choose Text, no header, Center, and type your text. Use the Swap Content button to swap your content locations. To delete content on the page, click anywhere around the Swap Content button. Once the Delete Layout button appears, click and choose Delete Section. This will delete the entire slide you are on and its contents. Click the plus sign to add video to your project. Paste the video URL into the Add Embedded Video box and choose Save. Your video will be displayed into the project. To complete the project, we will use a glideshow to enter our information for our credits. Click the plus sign below the video and choose glideshow. Upload an image you would like to use for the background. Click Save. You will see a new box with a plus sign on your picture. Click to add text or crediting your work throughout the project. Once you've created all content and want to view your presentation, click on the Present button. Your project will load and you will be set to navigate and tell your story. Thank you for watching this tutorial on Adobe Spark. Please visit Mississippi State University Libraries for all your technology needs.